It all begins with the coffee plant, a tropical evergreen shrub that thrives in a narrow subtropical belt around the globe. The first step in coffee's journey is the planting of its seeds. These seeds, often called coffee cherries, are planted during the wet season, so they have all the water they need to sprout. After planting, patience is key. It takes a full 3 to 4 years for a coffee tree to bear its first batch of fruit. The berries are initially green, but as they mature over several months, they take on a deep red hue. This transformation is a signal that the cherries are ready to be harvested. Harvesting is a meticulous process. The ripe cherries are handpicked, ensuring only the finest fruits are selected. The harvest period spans several months, with each tree being picked multiple times to gather all ripe cherries. Once harvested, the cherries journey to the mill for processing. This is where the outer layers are stripped away, leaving only the coffee bean. This process, known as pulping, separates the bean from the cherry. The beans are then fermented and washed, a process that removes any remaining fruit residue. After washing, the beans are spread out to dry in the sun. This drying process can take up to several weeks depending on the weather. Once dried, the beans are sorted by size and weight. They are then roasted at high temperatures, a step that brings out the rich, robust flavors we associate with coffee. The roasting process varies depending on the desired flavor profile, ranging from light to dark roasts. Now comes the grinding, the step that transforms the roasted beans into the familiar form we use to brew coffee. The grind size depends on the brewing method, finer for espresso, coarser for French press. Finally, it's time for brewing, the magical process that extracts the flavor from the grounds and infuses it into hot water. And voila, the journey from seed to cup is complete. To summarize, the journey of coffee involves several meticulous steps: planting, maturing, harvesting, processing, drying, sorting, roasting, grinding, and brewing. Each step is integral to the final product, contributing to the delightful cup of coffee that millions enjoy every day. So the next time you sip your coffee, remember the long, intricate journey it has taken to reach your cup, and perhaps you'll taste the magic a little more.